dang, I'm spraying over there the whole time. I want to be colorful and stuff, but I don't mean look orange.
I'm gonna test this out. Keep in mind that I'm an artist. I'm sensitive about my shit.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Chariti and I am back with another video, and this is just going to be kicking off a little short series I want to have here on my channel. It's called Color of the Day, in honor of Pride Month. Okay, celebrating it. Did I say month? Okay, you could take the girl out of Georgia, but you can't take Georgia out the girl, babe. But anyway, just continuing to celebrate Pride Month. I kicked it off with a nice little rainbow bomb cut crease, babe. And now I just want to do just one color eyeshadow looks, and they will all be colors of the rainbow. You know what I'm saying? I wanted to do that because, one, I don't do enough of just one shades, and I really like how that looks. Like, I just love how it looks. It just looks so like bold and like pretty at the same time, but not too much, and it's quick and easy for those of you who don't have time to be doing some cut crease or some dramaed out look, or just simply, you know, don't really know how yet, you know. So if you are one of those people, or if you are just interested in today's video, just keep on watching. All right, y'all, so I'm going to first take some concealer, and this is the Urban Decay All Nighter concealer. You know what I'm saying? This is not the all nighter, this is the Weightless Complete Coverage concealer. And let's just blend this out, you know what I'm saying? Nothing too fancy here, people. I just want to stay in focus for like a whole video. Like, I think that would be a record if I could stay in focus for like an entire video. You know what I'm saying? That would be literally a record for me. Isn't that crazy? I'm going in. I know this is a Smashbox primer water tube, but I really put some Studio Fix Plus. Is it Studio Fix Plus or is it just Fix Plus for MAC? Anyway, I put it in here because the way this sprays out is like a mist, and it feels so good on the face and the skin versus the Fix Plus, because we all know it can kind of squirt it at you kind of hard, you know what I'm saying, or clumpy sometimes. So, oh dang, I'm spraying over there the whole time. What the heck? Oh, there we go. So I'm using the Box of Crayons palette today by The Crayon Case. Literally only using this red right here. It's the shade. It's literally named Red, so it's not difficult, people. It has, show y'all something that's viewable. It has the biggest mirror in it, okay? Like, it's so convenient, right? Literally. It's just gonna be one tones, and that's just what I want to do. One, because, you know, I've done, you know, just one color on my eyes before, but not enough. Like, I feel like I don't do them enough, and I like the look of, like, I just like the look of it. And because it's, you know, Pride Month, you know, let's just make a little theme out of it. And I want to call it Color Week. Not Color Week, honey, but Color of the Day, where I'll just be using one color, because, and I think this is like a cool way to like come after, you know, I did my Pride look doing the whole color of the rainbow. And now let's just do like single colors, you know, of the rainbow. I hope I made that make sense, but if I didn't, you know, oh well. You'll just have to wait and see, honey. You know, especially if you're not too advanced in your makeup, but you still want to, you know, do a colorful look, and not even just a colorful look, but do a look with some color to honor, you know, Pride, and to celebrate Pride. this is cool too. Like, you can even do one eye one color and one eye another color, honey. Because I know everybody, you know, is not as good at doing, you know, cut creases. You know, sometimes, you know, some people are still learning. You know what I'm saying? So, you know what I'm saying? I chose red first. One, I was thinking of doing like the whole Roy G. Biv and going in order. I think that's what I'm going to do. But I also just wanted to do a whole red eye because I don't do red that often. Look at that. Look at us already getting into form. And it ain't take long. And it ain't take long, honey. Y'all seen the queen bad gal? I really appreciate what she's doing with Fenty Beauty. Like, she's well, with her brands as a whole, but specifically Fenty Beauty, she's just really taking the time to really honor Black people and people of color as a whole. I'm not sure how my eyebrows are looking on camera, but I did want y'all to know, to just go ahead and let y'all know that I was on the struggle bus all day today when it came to my eyebrows, because it's literally been a hard time. No, seriously. Like, I was struggling with my eyebrows for at least an hour because they're growing back and then I need to plug them. So, moving into my face makeup, I'm going to be priming with my NYX Hydra Touch primer, and it is hydrating and it feels amazing on the skin. Y'all notice I literally talk about it every chance I get. Every chance I use this, I rave about it. I'm really gonna speed through this face makeup, honestly, because, you know, ain't none of this new to y'all at this point. I'm going to go in with my NYX Honey Do Me Up drops. And these aren't even drops, but I'm just gonna put some of that on my face too for the extra moisture. Okay, you know what I'm saying? No biggie, honey. Just need the extra hydration as of now, love. Okay, going to color correct around my mouth with my NYX Contour Correct Conceal and Camouflage Kit. Taking that peachier shade and only doing it around my mouth area. You know what I'm saying? Can't really live without this, you feel me? Not really this corrector in particular though, just really a corrector in general, because this is not the best thing out. Just gonna go ahead and keep it a buckaroo. I will be using, excuse me, I will be using my NYX Born to Glow foundation. Okay, only this today. It is a beautiful coverage, it's a beautiful finish. It's a satin finish. It's more of a medium to full. It's buildable, so this is going to be perfect, and it's not drying on the skin. It has a really natural finish to it, a natural look. I really love how this blends into my skin because it just looks so, it's like I'm not wearing anything. It looks like skin and it feels weightless, baby. I mean, I know it's Pride Month, but we want to be colorful and stuff, but I don't mean look orange. It's giving me Crayola, baby. Now that it's drying up, we coming together. Look, yeah, we coming together. That's what I'm saying. You just gotta trust the process. You know what I'm saying? I will be going in with my Urban Decay Naked Skin, honey. You know what I'm saying? I just feel like I haven't used this in quite some time, and I know y'all were probably expecting for me to use Fenty first, but because I'm running low on it, I just want to save it for as long as I can, because it's really drying out. So there's just really, it's practically gone. I hope this concealer does not dry fast, because I really cannot remember. So far this is blending out like a real dream. Like, I can't. I almost can't believe it. Because it's been a minute since I've used this. Because I feel like, can't remember the last time I used it, but something made me kind of stay off of it for a while because I forgot what happened. I don't think I was like how it was blending. I was liking how it was blending out or something. I don't know. But the last time I used it, something definitely made me put it down and keep it down, honey, for a good minute. I was like, no, man. Cannot complain about it right now. Like, it's beautiful. So, going to go in with my flower powder from Beauty Bakery in the shade Yellow, baby. It's really matte, so we gonna be light-handed with it, okay? Because this matte is all get out. Real light layer before we bake. You dig? You know what I think it was? Maybe, I think it's because it creased so much. I don't know. At this point, I'm making stuff up. Either way, we'll see. I told myself I was gonna contour, but I'm really not. Like, I don't have no patience for that. It's hot outside and I live in Texas. Like, we're not doing that. I'm about to go in with the one and only, babe. The one and only. My MAC. Let it round up in there, because you know what I'm saying? Like, some of y'all thought I forgot about this, but no. I know some of y'all thought I forgot about it, but how could I? I could never, ever in my life forget about this stuff. I've been on NYX lately, but nah, we ain't on that. Not right now. Going in with my fave, Coco Naughty, baby, from, y'all know where this is from. Like, stop playing with me. Fenty Beauty. We just gonna do some bronzing up in there. Like this stuff. Look at this. Get you some. Which I think everybody got this by now because it's literally been such a hit. Color of the day. With color of the day, guess what? I will be trying to wear the color as well. As you can see, I have on a red shirt to match the red eye. Because I wanted to do something, because I'm like, I'm definitely not about to do matching lips. Like, I'm not doing that. I thought about it for this red look though, because I like how red makes my skin pop. Like, red is just so beautiful because it will really make your skin like pop. A good red lip, but I'm just like, nah, not today. Like, I just can't do it, you know? Going into the powder, I can't live without, okay, Dragon Beauty Transformation Powder, honey. First, I'm gonna carve out these cheekbones. That's how I like to do it now, you feel me? And I'm just gonna kind of pat that in. You know what I'm saying? Dude, skin is looking flawless. And I'm just gonna pat that in right there. Wow. Okay. Stop talking to me. Okay. Look at this. Okay, so going into my Juvia's Place Palette Volume 2, I'm taking this blush and this blush. Okay. Look at this. Like, I just love a good skin day. Like, I just love when, you know, your entire makeup routine and your skincare routine cooperate together as one. It's just like they're working together to make you great. You know what I'm saying? And if that's the case, thank you, because this is not every day. So when you got it, you gotta hold on to it. It's like you niggas need to do with me. So I'm going in with Dose of Colors Chasing the Sun. This was a part of the Desi and Katie collab. You know what I'm saying? I'm just trying to figure out if this is looking a way I would not like for it to look. Yes, indeed. I'm gonna do mascara and lashes off of camera, just to let you guys know what I'm doing for lashes. This is White Gold from Ty & Co. lash extensions. They are beautiful. I have worn these quite a few times now on my channel, so ain't nothing new, baby. I'm loving it, okay, baby? All I did was take a pencil brush and put some red on the bottom, just in case y'all feel like y'all done missed something, because no, you didn't. I'm just going to start on my lips, you know what I'm saying? So for lips, I'm using all NYX products today for lips, y'all. Ain't that something? But I'm using the NYX Lingerie Push Up Long Lasting Lipstick to line with in the shade After Hours. And then I'm going in with two glosses. The first is the NYX Lingerie Gloss in the shade Sable. And for the last gloss, I'm going in with the Butter Gloss called Fortune Cookie. These two glosses are literally like two of my faves, honey. I just feel like this is like the perfect, like, hold on, let me get it together first of all. I just feel like this is the perfect like lip color if you're doing such a bright, bold color on the eyes. Like, you know what I'm saying? Balance it out with lips. You don't gotta go bold on bold, big on big, no. Or you can, you know what I'm saying? It's really whatever you want to do, babe. But this is what I want to do. This is what I like, honey. This is the color of the day. Red. Okay, I'm feeling it. I'm loving it. Yes, ma'am. I hope you all enjoyed today's video. Thank you all so much for watching. Please be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below. Let me know what you would like to see from me on my channel. Please be sure to turn on your post notifications so you will be notified whenever I do upload. Did I say subscribe? I think I did. If I didn't, subscribe. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye, guys.